already told you in the chat. Today's objective is for you guys to learn about evidence for hominid evolution. So to do that, you are going to Google PBS Riddle of the Bones. And this is the site that you want to navigate to. So once you have this site loaded, okay, so if this happens, if Adobe Flash Player doesn't work, you just go up here to the lock where it says Flash, click Allow, and then it will work. Okay, so you guys used a site a little bit like this with the origin of the species with the birds that migrated to different islands. So this is just going to give you a little bit of information about the different fossils. I'm going to skip it for now. You guys can watch it on your own. So these are all going to be fossils. There are 4 fossils from a species called Australopithecus afarensis. And if you guys have heard of this really famous fossil called Lucy, she was, I believe, the very first hominid fossil found in Africa. This is all her species. So then you click here to navigate to the next section. And these are the 4 fossils you need to learn about. So one is called the first family. There are Lucy's bones. There's the Hadar skull, and there are the Laetoli footprints. So if you scroll over these, it gives you really, really basic information. And then again, look up here, you have tabs that will be useful. So these are the 4 questions that I asked you all to answer as you're navigating through this. So if you click on first family and then go to how did they move, now you can get more information about each of these different, actually it doesn't have to just be first family, so you can get information about each of these. It doesn't work for every single fossil, so the skull, for instance, just finding a skull is not going to tell you how it moves. So for that particular skull, you can skip that question. So then what did they look like? Again, you can scroll and get more information. Now, if you also click the Learn More tab for any of these that you click on, there will be a Learn More tab. And if you do that, then it gives you tons and tons and tons of information. So like you don't have to read every single bit, but you might want to skim through it because it will also help you to answer the 4 questions about these 4 different fossils. Okay, so again, scroll over here for basic information and then click on Learn More if you need further info. Okay, hope that helps.